Hi guys, welcome to my page. What are we cooking today? We are cooking melon soup. We call it Egusi soup in my language. And this is the melon seed, this is the cow skin. And I'm going to put the mixed pepper I'll put it in the oven for a while before blending it together with the egusi. Please comment on my page. Please kindly stay tuned and watch to the end, and please share with friends. And the next thing I'm going to start doing now, I'm going to start cooking. And this is the palm oil. You can see the palm oil. I'll allow it to get hot for some minutes before adding my locust beans, which I'm doing now. And the next thing, I'm going to add my crayfish, before adding the blended pepper with the melon seed. Yes. This is one of the method like I used to say in my page, in my channel. This is one of the method I cook my egusi soup. Yes, melon soup. This is one of my method. So I'm adding the blended pepper together. Inside it, I'm stirring it. I'm going to add the nut cube. I use cube depending on how you want, depending on the type of Maggi you want to use. And next, I'm going to use the stockfish. It actually tastes nice when you put this. Yeah, you know the taste of stockfish, as we all know. I'm going to add the skin, cow skin, so that I can get softer. Yes. Now I'm adding shaki, liver, beef to heat. And before I added all this, because I skipped the video, I allow it to cook for some minutes before adding the beef liver to heat. Yes, and I've added salt now. Now, before we know it, now our egusi soup is ready. You can use this soup to heat amala, rice, pando. Yes, pando, semo. Yes, you can use it to heat it. Yeah, it doesn't have limits. Yes. All right, please kindly share, kindly subscribe, kindly comment. I love you guys. Bye.